can I do just a tall pumpkin cream cold brew and a venti ice water, please? Hi besties, welcome back to the vlog. I am super excited. It's almost fall. Once the Starbucks drinks drop, I am like in full fall mode. We live in Texas, so it's still a million degrees, but I have to like manifest it or else it will never happen. Like it's gonna be hot for the next month and I'll only really get one full month of fall. So I try to really romanticize it and take advantage of it when I can because it's my favorite season. I love fall fashion, I love decorating for fall, I love fall scents. I love all things pumpkin. I did grab a pumpkin cream cold brew because it's my favorite Starbucks fall drink. So good. I wait all year, every year for these to come out and it's so good. Welcome to a fall vlog. I thought it'd be fun to go to HomeGoods today and Target and just pop in and see what they have. I plan on decorating for fall today, maybe making a few like fun fall recipes. I'm not sure. I have the day off. I'm just like ready to kind of get in fall mode. I'm excited for it and I thought I'd take you guys along with me. So let's go see what they got. I just got home. I wanted to show you guys a few of the things that I grabbed from HomeGoods. I didn't know if these were gonna match my like blanket that I have here, and it looks like they're a little bit off, but I mean, I don't really care that much. I feel like we can just mix up all the fall colors and just kind of tie them together. Or I can always like bring these back and maybe get the like green ones from Target that we saw with like the matching blanket if we want them to match. But I still think these are super cute just for like literally on my white couch. I don't know, I think it's adorable. So I got 2 of those. And I also found one of these. It's kind of like a teddy material. I just think I really like the like kind of dusty chocolate. I just think it's cute. So how cute. So a couple pumpkin pillows and then a few giant candles, which this one I had last year and it's so good. It smells so good. So I didn't go too crazy this year because I do already have a lot of stuff. So I feel like I didn't really need a whole lot. I definitely needed some more fall scents. So I got a few pumpkin smelling goodies. This one I thought was so cute. It's like a little wheelbarrow and it smells so good. Yeah, so I thought that was kind of fun. Sometimes I like to find ones that have a cute little container that you can like use later on for something else, just so that you don't throw them all away, you know. So yeah, white pumpkin, some of my favorite scents every year too. Pumpkin spice one. So I'm gonna figure out where to put these, light them, and then we'll start decorating. So I think I am gonna keep these ones. I don't know. Maybe I'll ask Mike, see what he thinks. So I think they're cute on the couch. I like the bright color contrast with the white couch. So I also have this one and it's just a lot of white, but I still think it's cute. So I'm a sucker for a good pumpkin pillow. I probably have 20 pumpkins in this house once I'm done with it, so you never have too many pumpkins. This is a very fall haul. Some bread for grilled cheese and tomato soup, baked brie, of course some red wine, coffee, goodies, and then these are literally my favorite thing. I wait every year for them to come out, and pretty much I get them every season depending on what the little graphic is, whether it's like the little elf or Christmas tree during Christmas time, and then always like the pumpkins during the fall. So these are my favorite like little snack at night, like little treat, especially with a good bottle of red wine. So that's the tiny little haul of just some extra goodies. I got this baked brie container last year and I have yet to make it, but it did come with a recipe on it. So I grabbed the brie, pecans, honey, and then just some good like little crackers for it. This is the baked brie recipe. It's so nice because it just came with the actual pan. So there were a few other ones at HomeGoods today, so I knew I already had one, but they had a few other really cute ones. So yeah. That's it for a little fall vlog. I poured myself some red wine. I'm gonna turn on Gilmore Girls and just relax. Now my house is like so cozy and it smells like pumpkins. It's literally such a vibe. So I love you guys and I'll see you in the next one.